everyone, welcome to this session. Hi Rishabh, welcome to the session. Good afternoon. Yes, hi everyone. Hi, can you guys please type a hi in the chat box so that I can know who all are attending the session? Alright, so this is for all the students, all the IP MAT and DUJAT aspirants that we are going to start a new batch for IP MAT for the students who are planning to give the exam in the year 2022. Alright, hi Kashish, Tanishk, all of you, good afternoon. Okay, so I'll quickly introduce myself since some of you might not be attending my classes now. My name is Ishwarya Agrawal. I've done my masters in maths from University of Delhi. Prior to that, I did my graduation from Miranda House. I've been training students for various management entrances like CAT, GRE, and GMAT since past 4 years now. Alright, so this will be the Plus batch that will be starting on our Plus platform for IP Math students. Okay. Hi Aman, Anshul, Rishika, Khanak, all of you. Okay, so this batch will be starting from tomorrow, that is 19th of June. And here are the few features of the Plus subscription that you'll get. Okay, so all the classes that I'll be taking on this Plus platform will be live and interactive. So you will be able to get your doubts clarified within the class itself. Every fourth session will be a doubt session. So you will have enough doubt solving sessions. Even if you miss the class because of some other class or because of anything, then you will be able to watch the recorded lectures also. Okay, you will get the study material also. You will have access to all the practice tests and mock tests that are there on the platform. Okay, now these are the prices of the Plus subscription for 24 months. That is for 2 years. If you are in 11th standard, then you can definitely go for this 2 years of subscription. Okay, this will cover your preparation for IP MAT and all the BBA entrances you are aspiring for. And the price of this is 30,000. And the price for 1 year of Plus subscription is 20,000. So this is for the students who are in 12th standard. Okay. Now, you can even go for the 6-month subscription. You can use the code AAISH10 to take the subscription so that you can get 10% off the course fee. Alright. Okay. Yes. Hi, Denuka, Shivam, Anshul. Yes, this will be useful for 2021 aspirants also, but for 2021 aspirants, your exams will be in the end of July, right? Most of your exams will be over by end of July or the first or second week of August. Okay, so you'll be able to cover this course on matrices in that, definitely. Okay, Anshul. Now see, these are the topics that I'm going to cover these are the topics that I'm going to cover in the first unit of this batch. That will be matrices and determinants. Okay. Now matrices and determinants is a very important topic for your IP MAT Indore. Okay. If you pick up any previous year question paper, then definitely you're going to find 2 to 3 questions from matrices and determinants. So this is very important. Okay. Now these are the topics that I'm going to cover in this batch. First is your matrices and determinants. So we'll be starting from the very basics. So if you haven't opted for mathematics after your 10th standard, means in 11th and 12th you don't have studied mathematics, then also it's fine, because I'll be starting from the very basics. So you will be able to understand everything, whether you're a math student or a non-math student. Okay. So matrices and its types will be covered. This will be the first session. Then properties of matrices, elementary transformations, and then we'll start with determinants. Then properties of determinants, finding the inverse of the matrix, and then in the end we are going to discuss some previous year questions from IP MAT and DUJAT and other papers. Alright. Alright, okay. So do you guys have any questions so far regarding this batch or about the topics that are going to be covered? If you have any, please ask. All right. Okay. Now, so here are the few details of this course. The classes will be on every Saturday and Sunday. The timing of the session will be 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. So this will be in the morning slot. Okay. The batch is going to start from 19th of June. Okay. You will get the practice sheets and formula sheets also. And previous year questions, very important, previous year questions will also be covered in this batch. Okay. All right. Now, so let us solve a few questions related to matrices and determinants. So these are some true and false questions. Okay. Let us test our knowledge. Okay. So first one, if A is a matrix of order 3 cross 2, then there are 3 columns and 2 rows in the matrix. Please answer. The first statement is true or false? Everyone. Yes, guys, what you can do is that if somebody is spamming, just click on the comment and then click on block. Then the message will be hidden. You won't be able to see it. Okay. Yes, all of you, please answer the first one. True or false? False. Okay, Anshul is getting false. Rest of you, quickly answer this. Rishabh, Kashish, Tanishq, Rishika, Khanak, Aman, Dhenuka, all of you, Ansh. False? Okay, Rishika, you're a non-math student? Okay, no issues. We are going to start the new batch from tomorrow. You can join that batch and I'll be starting from the very basics. Okay? Correct. This is a false statement. Right? Because here 3 is the number of rows and 2 is the number of columns. And here they have given opposite. So this is a false statement. Correct. Right answer, all of you. Okay, now let's see the second statement. A matrix is denoted by small letters like A, B, C, etc. Yes. Second one, true or false? Second statement is also false because a matrix is denoted by capital letters A, B, C like this, right? Matrix is always denoted by capital letters, not small letters, so false. Okay, correct. Now please answer the third one. So guys, what you can do is that because you're writing true and false, just write the question number, the statement number, then you write true and false. For example, 2F. Please write it like this so that I can understand which answer you're giving. Okay. All right. Yes. What about the third one? An element of ith row and jth column is denoted by Aij. Consider this as Aij in the subscript. Yes, correct. The third statement is true. Right. Okay. Correct answers, everyone. Right answers. Let's see the fourth one. Two matrices are said to be equal if the number of rows in both the matrices are equal. True or false? Yes, fourth one is okay. Fourth one is false. Okay, why? Because two matrices are equal only when their corresponding elements are equal. Also, their order should be same. Okay, so number of rows should be same, number of columns should be same, and the corresponding entries should also be same. So, false statement. Last one, fifth statement. A matrix in which there is only one column and any number of rows is said to be a row matrix. Yes, so Sia, what you're asking is this is quite subjective question. This depends from student to student. But if you're a student who hasn't studied maths after 10th standard, then doing it yourself will be slightly difficult. Also, you need guidance in the correct direction. Okay, you need to practice uh, under a mentor, under an educator. So taking the classes for it will be more helpful. This is what I recommend you. Okay. All right. Fifth one. A matrix in which there is only one column and any number of rows. This is known as a column matrix, not a row matrix. So this is also a false statement. Correct answers, everyone. Great. All right. Let's see the next statement. Statement number 6. A zero matrix can be a row matrix or a column matrix. True or false? Yes, Sakshi, definitely for DUJAT, IPMAT, all these exams where higher mathematics is asked. Okay? This will be for that as well. First statement, false or true? Zero matrix can be a row matrix or a column matrix. Think about this. True. Yes, definitely true. Why? Because what is a zero matrix? A matrix which has all the entries as zero is the zero matrix. It can be of any order. So therefore, true. Okay. Seventh statement. Each diagonal element of a skew symmetric matrix must be zero. Seventh one. Yes. So these true and false questions are concept based questions, right? If your concepts of matrices and determinants are clear, then you will be able to understand this. Okay. Yes, Lalit, the classes will be on Saturdays and Sundays, 1 hour each, 10 to 11 a.m. Okay. So you can study on Saturday and Sunday, attend the classes on Saturdays and Sundays. Monday to Friday, you can revise and solve the questions. Okay, enough time for practicing you'll get. Okay, yes. Seventh one is each diagonal element of a skew symmetric matrix is zero. This is true. What is a skew symmetric matrix? When A is equal to minus A transpose, right? So diagonal elements, principal diagonal elements are zero. Okay. Now, eighth statement. Addition or subtraction of two or more matrices is possible only when they are of same order. True or false? Can you add or subtract matrices of different order? Think and answer. Yes, eighth one. Correct. So eighth is true. Eighth is true. Okay. So addition and subtraction of matrices is only possible when they are of the same order. Correct. Ninth statement. The scalar product of matrix. Scalar product of matrix means multiplying matrix by some constant number. Okay. Is obtained by multiplying each element of the first row of the matrix by that scalar. True or false? Yes, see, this batch is for 2022. Okay, so we'll be starting from matrices and determinants. Then we'll cover trigonometry, calculus, vectors, complex numbers. All the topics of higher mathematics will be covered in this batch. Okay, and not only higher mathematics, the classes will be held for quantitative aptitude also, verbal also, GK also, and logical reasoning and DI also. Okay, I'll be taking the classes of higher maths in this batch, and rest of the classes will also be held. Yes, ninth one. Quickly answer. Scalar product. Scalar product means multiplying the matrix by a constant number. Yes. So this statement is false. Okay, because when you multiply a matrix by a constant, by a scalar, you need to multiply each and every element of the matrix, not just the first row. Okay, all the rows. So therefore this is false. Correct. Yes, Mayank, this is for IP MAT, DUJAT, all the BBA entrances this batch is for. And कहाँ से करें practice higher maths की? So in this course I'll be giving you the practice sheets and formula sheets as well. Okay, so you can practice from there, and apart from that I can recommend some books to you as well, so you can start practicing from that. Okay, Lalit, 10th one, quickly answer all of you, the 10th. For the multiplication of two matrices A and B, the number of columns of A and the number of row of B should not be equal. Yes, all of you answer. This is false. This is definitely false, because this is the basic condition of matrix multiplication, that number of columns of A should be equal to the number of rows of B. Okay, so this is not true. Okay, correct answers. Great, everyone, right answers. Yes, Gajanand, you're answering true. Here we have not equal, therefore this will be false. Agar equal hota tab true hota. Alright, I hope all these statements are clear to everyone. Okay, let us do 3 more statements. 11th one. The matrix multiplication is commutative. Please answer. Matrix, now commutative will be, I can rephrase this statement. AB is equal to BA. If A and B are two matrices, then AB is equal to BA. This is the statement. True or false? True. Okay. Think about this. Matrix multiplication commutative होता है कि नहीं? Answer. Eleventh is false. Matrix multiplication is not commutative. अगर A and B matrices हैं, then AB is not equal to BA. Not necessary. Okay, equal हो भी सकते हैं. Only when B is the inverse of A, right? And these are equal to I. If it is given that AB is equal to BA is equal to I, then A and B are inverse of each other. Okay, otherwise matrix multiplication is not commutative. Now please answer, before we move on to the next statement, is matrix addition commutative? Think. Is matrix addition commutative? Means, is A plus B equal to B plus A? Is this true? Yes, correct, absolutely right. So matrix addition is commutative, but multiplication is not commutative. So please keep this in mind. Next one, 12th statement. If A, B, C are three matrices of same order m cross n, then A plus C is equal to B plus C gives A is equal to B. True or false? 12th statement. True or false, everyone? Okay, so we are getting multiple answers for the 12th one. Some are saying true, some are saying false. Let's see. See, if it is given that A, B, C are of the same order, then only matrix addition is possible. And then it is given that A plus C is equal to B plus C. This means A is equal to B. Okay, this is true statement. Alright, so this statement is true. Correct. Alright, I hope this is fine. Now please answer for the 13th statement. Determinant is a single value, or I am rephrasing this, determinant is a number. Think and answer. Last one. Determinant is a single value or a number. Correct. This is a true statement. Okay. Determinant of a matrix is a value, whereas a matrix has so many values, not a single value. Matrix could be one. The number of elements in a matrix could be one or more. Okay, depends on the order of the matrix. Okay. All right. So this is one of the basic differences between matrix and a determinant. All right. Okay, so these were the statements. I hope you enjoyed solving these true false concept based statements. Okay, now so for all those students who think that they are not aware of these concepts, they have not studied these concepts, then also it is fine, because I'll be covering all these concepts from the very basics in the batch starting from tomorrow, that is 19th of June, first class tomorrow at 10 a.m. Okay, so please make sure that you guys attend that class, and if you haven't taken the Unacademy Plus subscription for IP Mat yet, please take it before the session. Okay, and use the code AAISH10 for that. Alright guys, so do you have any questions regarding the batch or anything regarding the higher mathematics in IP Mat? Please ask if you have any. Alright, so this batch, as I mentioned earlier, starting from 19th of June, I am going to take classes of higher mathematics in this batch. Okay, the classes of general awareness, quantitative aptitude, DI and LR, and verbal ability will also be taken. Okay, now this is an offer that is going on at Unacademy for the Plus subscription, that if you take the subscription for 12 months, 2 months of subscription will be given to you free of cost, and at the cost of 2 years, 24 months subscription, 3 months of subscription will be given to you. Okay, so this offer is valid for 2 more days till 20th of June. So please make sure that you go for the subscription using the code AAISH10. This will get you 10% off the course fee. Alright, okay guys. Thank you so much for attending the session. I hope you got all the information about the new batch starting from tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. Thanks everyone. You can even join my Telegram group to get further information regarding IP MAT. Okay. Now, please like and share this video with your friends and family who are also preparing for IP MAT and for any other BBA exam. Okay.